Hi, could you tell us about the products that you are showcasing at Imtex?
Yeah, sure. So here we are exposing the product called as Opto Bench. So this is a completely flexible solution where we can check all the diameters, all the external elaborations and everything in the shop floor condition. It is completely flexible, whether it is a transmission shaft, it is a camshaft, or it is a crankshaft. Loading will be manual, automatic, and this is completely flexible for shop floor environment for any kind of component part is concerned.
Okay. So, could you also talk about the maintenance part of this?
No, this is completely no maintenance is required because then there is no part which is touching the component. This is non-contact type of gauging which is based on the infrared rays and the shadow cast principle. So there is no absolute issues from the after maintenance or maintenance point of view. This is completely maintenance free.
Okay. Thank you.
Please come to our booth B101 and Hall 3A.
Thank you.